Henry the Green engine had been put out of commission. So, a new engine from the other railway came to fill in. Though now the engines were starting to dislike him.
Just wait till you see me with my goods. Then you'll see proper engine standards.
Proper engine standards? I think you'll find all of us here are up to your so-called standards.
That engine is all puffed up in his smoke box.
He's too big for his buffers, is what he is.
Patriot stood angrily at the platform. He had to wait for the express to pass through before continuing.
Call it the express. It'll be Christmas by the time it passes through.
Easy boy, they'll be here soon. We are still 7 minutes ahead of schedule.
Soon, Patriot spotted Edward on the line.
Oh, here's the relic from the 19th century.
Oh my!
Silly old engine, silly old engine.
Hey, Patriot! What's the fastest you can go?
Henry's faster than this. He should be pulling us, not you.
Yeah, come on, Pedro.
His name's not Pedro, you idiot.
I'll show you.
More, motherfucker, more! Go!
Ha!
There was Doc, and on his track.
Oh! Get out of the way, move!
Oh, that was close. Going slower.
Push in now!
Stop, you silly things!
Without gripping the rails, Patriot's efforts were hopeless. When Patriot opened his eyes, he discovered him and the vans derailed and smashed to bits.
Ugh, this is disgusting.
Percy was covered from funnel to wheels in pastries and pies.
Patriot, your behavior on my railway has been unacceptable. You being rude to my engines is one thing, but causing an accident out of your own self-righteous behavior is another. I want you off my railway at once. I will not tolerate selfish and egotistical engines like you staying on my railway.
No, please, you can't, sir. Promise I'll be good. Just give me another chance.
One chance is far too many for an engine like you. Take him away at once, Henry.
Well, hope you enjoyed your stay on Sodor, Patriot.